One of the things that I have found most compelling about California, but in Ojai in particular, I sometimes refer to it as a light show. That kind of ephemeral beauty of the transience of light, we in a way set this up to be a vehicle, to be a canvas for those light experiences to take place.
The mission of the school is to educate the whole child and understand that the education doesn't happen just in a 10 by 10 size room. To be able to get outdoors, one, have the sun beating on you. Here in Southern California, rain doesn't exist.
Part of the way the chaparral landscape regenerates is the brush fires that come through and essentially cleanse the ground, and damaging as it is part of the natural process of this area. The boys were thinking about this as this is their school. What does this mean for them and their future?
The entire sky was orange with and we could smell the smoke, and we were just felt like we had to get out of here.
And about 12:30, we were notified that we lost the west edge of campus. And it was from embers being blown by the winds. It wasn't like a fire overran us. The embers were blown around, got into different structures. It destroyed the girls' dorm, the science complex, my house at the time. That was a gut punch, to many of us going, how did this happen?
Because OVS had done so much for our family and myself, my dad just wanted to find a way where he could help, and he thought this was the best way possible, so as soon as he could, he got involved.
The essence of the idea is that of a village around a green space. That was the starting point. We call it little nature and big nature. Were number one, the dining commons, which then had with it library. Then there was the girls' dorms, imagining that as a courtyard compound in and of itself. And then the third element was the science building, contemporary maker spaces, indoor-outdoor learning spaces.
We designed this project with simple white boxes because we believe in timeless architecture, which is not a building design, building shape. It's more about the experience, your experience itself. Walking through between the buildings, we wanted people to keep discovering new experience.
There was certainly conversations about should we imitate the other campus buildings that survived? But that was part of the problem with the buildings that burned down, is that architecture has a lot of outriggers in wood and nooks and crannies where embers could gather. So we came up with this notion of these very minimalistic forms where there is essentially nothing for the fire to grab onto. The smooth white plaster, it's a fireproof material. Concrete paving on the decks. The trellis is made out of metal instead of wood. So there's a whole litany of strategies that have made this a defensible environment for, inevitably, a generation from now, there will be other fires that come through here.
We're at the Grace Hobson Smith girls' dorm. We have a really nice common space so we can cook dinners together and just chat about our days. The architects asked what the students wanted to see in the new building. They really liked having nature in the middle where they could sit and chat and then have the rooms around. It has a sense of indoor-outdoor living. I think it's a big thing of OVS, the outside and the inside. I think college dorms are not as nice as these.
The impact of the new build has been tremendous on our school community as a whole. That's a good thing. The buildings give us a lot more flexibility in what we do as far as course offerings. We've been able to add course offerings in the sciences, in math, and performing arts. The cafeteria, we can actually sit everybody in the dining hall now for a single seating and not have to be rotating people in and out. And those types of things really create a community stronger than we've ever had.
The project has meant a lot to me personally because like being back in this building that my dad designed, it really feels like I'm back home and I'm really a place where I can like be myself. And it's really, I feel like this is the place to be before I go to college or go away. It's like the last taste of being home.